the company I'm working with in Boston, they ended up in that Scrum situation where they have now 350 product owners who have never been product owners before, or product managers. Like 2 in the whole organization have been a product manager somewhere else. And it is an interesting thing about what we were talking about earlier with that apprenticeship model, because they decided, no, we're not going to fire all these people who are incompetent. We're going to train them. And it's a really, really inspiring and interesting approach, but it's a really difficult approach too, because we have to hire some more senior people they can learn from as well. And we're doing that. But to me, yeah, it's how do we, I'm interested in this apprenticeship thing. Like, how do some of these organizations, they're going to have to grow their own product managers because we don't have a lot of places for people to learn right now. So how do we kind of get some companies on board with that? Or how do we set up the right programs inside companies so people can learn? Or how do we have outside programs even? Like, I like what Jared Spool's doing with the UX designers in Tennessee. He's got like a 2-year college for them basically to learn to be UX designers. Like, what's next for product management with that? That's one of my biggest questions right now that I'm working on, and that I am really excited to see how that shapes up over the next couple of years.